We're going to go over the law of sines. And the first thing that I want to review with you, I hope, is how we calculate the area of the triangle in the first place. If we have any triangle at all, I've just drawn this, it looks like it's a right triangle, I did not mean it to be. But the area of the triangle is basically the height times the base divided by 2, or times 1/2. The reason is, if I do some line extending here and here, I have this rectangle that I've drawn now has area height times base. But I'm only doing the triangle, so I am cutting out these two parts here, which means I'm going to take the height times the base and then divide it by 2. So that's my general formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now we're going to draw a triangle. Could be the same one. Let's go ahead and do that. And what I want to do is I want to call this angle A, and I'm going to call the opposite side to that lowercase a. This is going to be angle B, and the opposite side to that is a lowercase b. This will be angle C, and that's a big C, so I'll put a, that kind of thing on it. And then this is a lowercase c here. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw the vertical line going down and making a right angle. And I can talk about the sine of this, and this height here is going to be, we're going to call it h for now, but h is going to equal the sine of the angle A times the hypotenuse of that angle, which is B. You'll recall that the sine of A is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. If my sine is h over b, if I multiply times b, those are going to cancel and I'm going to be left with h. So I get this relationship right here. Let's pause. I'm going to come back to this with a second video. What I will tell you is that h, I can draw a second line here that's going to be a similar height. Oh, by the way, let's finish what our area of our triangle is. If this is our height, sine of A times B, the area of the triangle is going to be this height times this base here, lowercase c, divided by 2. Back from this here, 1/2 the base times the height. This is 1/2 the base, which is c, times the height, which is sine of A times B. Gone is my h. Now this is the area of the triangle. To be continued.